10 by 28. Okay, for this. So let's start with this. It's a stretchy fabric. Okay, so this is what we are going to do for this is the band. So let's start with this. So I will fold 1 inch, 1.5 inch, sorry, and okay, like this. Okay, so like this. So now we'll now pleat on it. I will pleat. So I will pleat on it this way. Then more. Okay, you can use your pin to hold it. Then maybe one. So we're supposed to have like 1/2 inch to join to the body. So let's do this first and come back. Okay, so I'm done pleating it. So just to show you guys. So this is just line I was able to make, like, can we make it, can we call it 3? Okay, just 3 lines. So we want to make V shape. So I'm going to fold it into 2 this way. And here, from the upper part here, we can just mark 2.5 inch. So when we open it up, it should be 5. So from this line, I'm going to make V shape like this. So I'm going to trim off the excess here. Remember, it's the stretchy fabric like nacra, but a little bit thick. Not that thick actually. So yeah, so I'm done with. Can you see it's very lovely? Okay, and more easy. So now, if you are using a stretchy fabric like the one I'm using, you need to extend your lining longer, because as you're sewing, it's stretchy. So this is the back. Can you see? So this is the back here. So because I will cut this off now. Maybe okay. So that one apart. So this is this. So we have 14.5 by 25. So I cut the lining as well. So I want to use this tappeta, but because when you use something that is dark under here, can you see it's not too dark, but I want something that will bring out the color. There's difference, okay? So that is why I cut another lining here. So I will just put this first, okay? Then this later on, okay? Then this, we need to find the midpoint of this. Then after finding the midpoint, or we can just sew it once like this. Find the midpoint of this fabric, okay? So this is the midpoint here, and this is our midline here. So I'll just flip it over, okay? All right, like that, and we sew this way and the other one this way, okay? So to put the lining, we want to use the lining to cover this. So I will trim off this brown, the lining, I can trim that off. So to cover the, so it should be like this. To cover this, cover this, or you can just sew it everything like this, then you use your surgeon on it. So you just put this under like this. So this is where I want to show, under like this. Okay. So because I want this part, this lining to be the one that would be in front of this one would be for the back one. Okay, this one would be in the middle. So I'll just place it the way I want, and like this one I've attached it with pin. Just place it on it, find the midpoint of this is the midpoint here. Okay, that's the midpoint, and we want to sew everything like this so that this can be inside this way and this way. So it will just flip it the other way around. I'll just find the midpoint. So that makes the brown will be facing here like this, and this one will be like this. Okay, so the right side will be the inside, while the wrong side will be inside as well. So the right side is facing the wrong side inside. So this is it. Or you can go ahead and join this first before you put the lining, whichever way you like. So I'll just go ahead now and join it to the base. Okay, and you can cut off this side, cut it off, the V shape, and open it up. When you cut it off, open it up like this, not like this, like this. Okay, so I'm done joining the lining to it. Let's see. So this place will look open. It's okay. So the next thing is to join. You know how we join our turban. So just make sure they are aligned. Then just mark like at the corner here, maybe 3.5 or 3 inches. Just make the curve. Then join and sew along. Then I will come back. Then we'll make the upper design. So I'm done with it. So the next thing is to just tack it. You just tack from here down the band. Then just make a tack, a knot. You can make more than knots. Make many knots as possible to hold it in place. And I'll still tack it again. I double the thread. So we have this turban ready. I'll need to make the design. So that is the back. Hope you can see from far. Okay, and this is the front. This is very beautiful.